Apoy kwarta te?
Ha? Naapod. Nakasweldo na ba ko kaysa?
Ha?
Nakasweldo na ba ko kaysa?
Really?
74 euro.
Okay, mag-vlog na po ko.
Hi guys, good morning. Intro tayo. Oy, intro B.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog!
Intro asa man taron?
Kuya, where are we going?
Going to City Market.
Hindi guys, today.
English
Today magkukuan kami mag-hotel.
Oh!
One night hotel, pero shopping muna. Para may makain doon. And then, papunta ng hotel, pag nandun na kami, we'll go swimming. Swimming sa pool. So, it's a vacation day today.
Yeah.
One night vacation.
Vacation.
So, alis muna kami, punta muna kami ng City Market and buy something. See you! Kayo lang ang aking kuan.
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Welcome to our
For
vlog.
today's vlog!
Siguro natin balik-balik for today. Ayan ang nag-grocery ni Simon.
Grocery haul.
Yes. Grocery haul daw. Ano daw
Grocery
binili?
haul. Pringles, Coke, and
Chocolate.
candy.
Kay Sonny nasa bag pa. Tired. Buti na buta namin yung bus. So, may 5 minutes kaming walk sa baba naming bus stop. So, soon we'll be in the hotel. Finally, mag-walk na lang kami. Malapit na kami sa hotel. So, from Basa Center, guys, sasakay ka ng bus 3 or bus 6 papuntang hotel. So, papasok pa lang kami doon. Pala, hindi pa pala papasok, papunta pa lang doon. Kani good for tour siya. So pag
mag-add
mag-add per person, so plus 20 euros siya.
Okay.
I'm just gonna pick a room with an extra room.
So thank you Uben for this one. Birthday gift last year. Last year.
Okay. Baligyan nila slipper, tag 6 each.
Kailangan ko na nailisa ng so hindi na ko bantay ka nga lupad. Kani, nakatanggal. Finally here.
Room tour.
Our room. Come in.
Wow.
Wow. This is our room for tonight.
Wala pa na. Nag-on na.
Yung saan yung Simon?
Gisulod ako.
Isuot mo po na ako to.
Wow. Sige daw. Wow. So, hi. Ay, naku mga ani-ani, oh. Anik-anik.
Oh, wala sa cabinet.
Hi, guys.
So Simon is here. We're inside. We have 2 beds and 1 sofa.
I don't know.
So, who's going to sleep in the sofa?
Ako.
Aba,
Ikaw?
si Shadow. Okay. And,
Ti, panawag ko extra towel, ti.
yeah, and here. Ha? Pila ka ba yung towel?
Duha ra.
Ah, okay. Sige, sige, sige. So, the TV, they have this one. I don't know this one. Good for 3. But in fairness, it's small. No cabinets. Oh, it's so nice. The bathroom is so nice.
Good morning.
Mm. We're going swimming. Yan, kasama ko naka-bathrobe na.
Hi, vlog.
Yeah.
Going there. Hindi man always ay pa ko.
The plastic ko. Ay, ba? Sulan itong basta.
Kay,
Hi, ananas.
Pineapple.
Somebody watching me.
I have my Hawaiian pizza.
and same one.
Hawaiian. Tropiclandia. Same name as the place. Hot sauce ba?
Grabe, Tibi.
Ha? Dito. Kauna sila oh. Grabe, in fairness.
Ba? Maganda sa lang sa Aurora ko Ha? Hi vlog! Hi everyone! That's a fashion!
Nasa kwan kami, jacuzzi. Salong-salong na. Simo lang, uy, diri.
Tingnan ko siya may pawit, eh.
Dili malas.
Uy, lalong na dira, uy.
Thank you.
We are done swimming.
Pizza lang naman po. Making.
Bed making sa hotel. Actually guys, kailangan palang inayos nila yan sana kanina habang wala kami.
Ayos na daan pa.
Oo, pagpasok namin kaso
Ang atong reservation kay
oo.
2 months.
Pero well anyway,
Okay na. Suksok na siya.
Mga ng secret, isaksak.
gilabay raw. Dili pag
Gusto na ko ani.
so balik tulog. We're done eating our breakfast and then after that CR and then tulog na. Success na siya.
Just had
May tao pa. Next is me.
kakatay ko lang. And then Simon.
Yes. Kung ano ko doon dyan. Kanong full. Kasi yung kinain kahapon hindi pa lumabas. So, ilalabas ko yung kinain kahapon para makapasok yung kinain kanina. So, pahinga muna kami guys. See you. So, today is the last minute.
Check out there.
Yeah, check out day. Lalabas na 12 p.m. yung check out nila. So, nasa 11, almost 11:30 na siguro. So,
This is the view.
yung view namin, no? But anyway, ganyan lang, garahe. So, ayan. Kung ano namin yung bed. So, yung mga gamit namin.
Oh. At saka may tag pa.
Ito yung jacket ni Semo na suot-suot niya. Tapos may tag pa talaga.
Para mabenta pa.
Yes.
Pero benta ko pa yan.
Yes. Pero talaga mura na lang pala, ano? Yung jacket, oh, nagpapaganda pa. Kasi may work siya ng 1 p.m.
Na-expose lang ang secret.
Ayan yung uniform ng McDo?
Di, uy.
Ay, akala ko uniform na ng...
What's the uniform them one?
Nasa bag na.
So, ayan guys. See you later sa baba. Babuch.
Naman na yung uniform. Bye guys, we're checking out today. Back to reality.
Back to reality. Hindi na po.
Wala may nabili, no? Ta.
Ha?
Pabiaan pa ta.
Call na lang. Mata 10 minutes. Siguro
Ah.
asa ko mo rin? Baka tayo